What's going on with Eddie Elephant? Robot is really going to steal him.
In the gang of vowel-stealing robots, there are 3 brothers. They all make the same sound, but steal different vowels.
We are the Robot Brothers. If you see any vowels behind our backs, don't expect to hear the usual vowel sounds.
I'm Ernest I steal elephants. As I run off, I shout my last name.
Ernest is a faster runner than his other brothers, so you will see him most at the end of words. He gets there faster than his other brothers.
He really stole him. What are we gonna do? I think the best thing we can do now is to learn the words. When he will hear his name, he will bring him back. What do you think? Let's start. And you know, really there are so many words that end with R. You cannot imagine. If you will start to remember, you will understand that you know a lot of them. Let's see. Mother, father, sister, brother. What about seasons? Summer, winter, and a lot of more. Clever, ladder, river, stealer, tiger, danger, hammer. And if we will speak about professions and about jobs, painter, driver, engineer, a lot of them. But now let's see these words more carefully, and then we will move on. Let's listen what they say in our letterland, and let's listen to the story.
Look, here is Ernest running past the water. He has run past the tiger, the panther, and the carpenter with the hammer. He will run past the painter, the ferns, and the flowers. He's such a fast runner, shouting his last name,
So now let's see our vocabulary words. Tiger. 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 Are you afraid of tiger? Danger. Danger. Do you know what is danger? When something may happen that will make you bad, that will make you harm. So you must take care of yourself because it's danger, and there is sign that says about danger. It can be yellow, usually it can be yellow or red color. So if you see sign like this, be careful because it may be danger. Next word is ladder. 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 Are you not afraid to climb the tall ladder? Painter. Painter. We can say that painter is someone who paints the walls, or the painter can be an artist, the person who can draw the picture but with paints like gouache or oil colors. Hammer. 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 Do you know how to work with a hammer? Have you ever worked with hammer? And now see page 72 and let's learn some jobs. Teacher. Teacher.
I've taught my class to be more sympathetic, so when a child is sharing their answer and they make a mistake, Instead of shouting, "No, you're wrong," my class will say, which gives the child who's sharing their answer another opportunity to reconsider. I've adopted this growth mindset approach through what I've seen on placement. It's always useful to have a whiteboard next to the interactive screen so I can model my working out.
3, okay, that's that first step of
The University of Worcester.
PISinter. This is what we said now.
The only thing
PISinter.
I'm thinking and seeing is abstract shapes. Abstract shapes that I just put next to each other, which is exactly what you can see here. An orange abstract shape next to a purple abstract shape, and so on. I know, this can be frustrating because it takes a while until everything comes together, and during most of the process, it usually...
Waiter. Who is waiter? Waiter is the person who helps us in cafe or the restaurant, who can bring food and drinks and take our payment, who can assist us in the restaurant. Waiter. Banker. Banker. Banker is a person who works in a bank, assists people to take money, to put them in an account, or to give you some paper. So now, look at the pictures, make the lines, match the letter to the job they like doing, and then color the pictures.